Steamboat Geyser equals 175, 17.5 degrees in Perth. Eruption is 118, 11.8 degrees in Canberra. Demon Boy, 93. Hey, I worked it out. It was Halloween, 2015. I wrote Red Rain equals 69 after listening to the song Red Rain by Peter Gabriel. Then I went to the Queanbeyan Library and I went there to use the Wi-Fi, and I was there probably half an hour before I noticed the book Red Rain next to me, sitting on the shelf next to me. Today's the 13th, tomorrow's the 14th. Columbus Day, huh? 14 is the value of dead. It's also the value of DJ. And it's 17 days until Halloween. 17. Rebecca, the Halloween hurricane. The 17th named storm of the Atlantic in 2019. Reflect equals 69. Red Rain equals 69. I wrote Red Rain equals 69 on Halloween 2015. This year Halloween's on a Thursday. 6 days, 9 hours, 24 minutes brings us to 6:09 a.m. It will be the 72nd major eruption of Steamboat Geyser after an interval of 6 days, 9 hours and 24 minutes. The 12-year-old twins, 12 times 2, 24. That's it. That's the answer. Mirror equals 91. Reflect is 69. Reflect the answer. He did reflect the answer. Reflect is the answer. 69. The last eruption was number 71. It came at 45 minutes past, after an interval of 6 days, 7 hours, 52 minutes. Killer, 67. Devil, 52. Cruel horror, 24. 12 times 2. The Halloween hurricane. The warning is the 72nd major eruption of Wyoming's Steamboat Geyser in its current active phase. The eruption is going to be at 6:09 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Tomorrow, Monday, 14th of October, 2019. Dead. Tomorrow is the 14th. 17 days until Halloween. Rebecca will be the 17th named Atlantic storm of 2019. Interval, 6 days, 9 hours, 24 minutes. The time, 6:09 a.m. 9. Jake was murdered 9 days before Halloween. 1989 had the same Atlantic hurricane name list as 2019. Steamboat Geyser. It erupted 5 days, 9 hours, 10 minutes ago. Its next eruption is coming after an interval of 6 days, 9 hours and 24 minutes. It's coming tomorrow, 14th of October 2019, and the time will be 6:09 after an interval of 6 days, 9 hours and 24 minutes. Time 12 times 2. The twins. There it is. The calculation. 6:09 a.m. tomorrow. The 72nd major eruption of Steamboat Geyser. The warning for the Halloween hurricane. Rebecca.